Hello everyone, it is I, Shamaria, and Snickers. Today I will teach you stretches to get the splits very fast. It's a follow along. Let's go. Alright, the first pose is lunge pose. I love this pose because it's really effective. It's pretty easy. You just do basically a lunge, but then you put your back knee on the floor and just try to sink your hips down as far as you can. Now straighten your front leg and try to touch your head to your knee. Now go back to the first stretch, the lunge stretch. Lift up your back knee and just bend forward, and we'll hold this for a few seconds. Alright, now try to slide your legs out as far as you can. It doesn't matter if you barely go down at all. You just have to stretch it out or else you won't get the splits. Alright, now it's pigeon pose. It's basically the splits, but you bend your front leg, so it's a lot easier. If this isn't really a stretch for you, you can try to grab your back leg and pull it towards your butt, basically. Alright, now do the same lunge on the other leg. Now straighten your front leg again and try to touch your head to your knee. Now straighten your back leg. Make sure to always stretch both sides because as you can see, one side for me was super flexible and the other side is like kind of flexible. Now go as far as you can into the splits. When I was filming, I forgot to do pigeon pose for this side, so I'll just play the clip from the other side. But you don't switch sides, just make sure you're on the same side we were just stretching. Alright, now move on to straddle. You just do the widest straddle that you can and lean to one side, basically. You can pick any side first, it doesn't really matter. Alright, now switch to the other side. Alright, now come back up. You're going to try to lean as far as you can to the middle, but don't let your knees go in or your feet. Try to have them pointing straight up to the ceiling or the sky if you're outside. Alright, for this next one, you're going to want to go against the wall or like a table. Like you're just going to go against the wall, hold your hands to the wall and just do backwards kicks. We're going to do 5. Alright, now we're going to do the other side. And that's it. Just do these every day and remember that it takes time. You can't just wake up the next day and have the splits.